ladies and gentlemen. Here are my cute cat friends. They will sing their favorite songs for you. Which one is your favorite? Please write in the comments.
You're the prettiest, perfectest person I know. You're the sweetest, not the meanest, and I love you the most. You're my bestie and I'm your bestie too. Next time we hang out, I'll say I love you. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umpy umkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake dum dum, nugum. You're the apple of my eye, and I love you so. And I want you know that I'll always be my hair. And I love to sing in songs to you because you are so dear.